Good evening. My name is Sylvia Lopez, and I'm currently seeking the 290th Judicial Court. This particular court handles everything from state jail felonies on up to murders. This particular court is extraordinarily important to young people. As adults, we have a very wonderful opportunity, and that opportunity is to lead by example for our youngsters today. Two things happen with our youngsters. They're either watching to see what happens and how others are held accountable, or unfortunately, many of our youngsters, 17 years old, at that point they're able to be in this particular court. Unfortunately, they end up in our system. So at this point, this court has an opportunity, this judge has an opportunity to make a difference by leading by example. Two things that we can do. First of all, we have to have compassion. Sometimes our young people, and even people, of course, that are older, make mistakes. And we have to have that compassion and understand that maybe these people need a second chance. Maybe they need to be placed on probation. Maybe there are resources out in San Antonio that they are not aware of. There's also another side to this. Sometimes we have people that are out committing crimes in our neighborhoods that are not understanding that there are rules, regulations, and laws that they need to follow. And these people, unfortunately, would benefit from being wrapped up in our prison system. Either way, this particular judge, whoever ends up in this court, hopefully will lead by example by showing not only our youngsters but all of our citizens of Bexar County that we can be compassionate, we can be fair. Everybody needs to be held accountable for their actions. I have been extraordinarily fortunate in that when I attended St. Mary's University Law School, I was chosen to be in a criminal clinic. And what that meant was I would be able to take cases and try them as a student. So therefore, my trial experience began very early. At this point, while I was enrolled in this particular project, I was able to obtain the award at the end for Criminal Student of the Year. Since then, my criminal practice has flourished. I was able to handle a case of a federal nature here in Bexar County. Since then, I was also fortunate to be a prosecutor in Atascosa County. And in that particular situation, I was able to handle everything from truancies, I was able to prosecute misdemeanors, I was able to handle felonies, which also directly involved our youth. I was able to see the different ramifications that some of these crimes affected their lives. And I was able to be a direct part of helping that situation. And I was extraordinarily fortunate because I became part of a project to help with our truancy at that time in Atascosa County, which meant the truancy rate at that point went down because I was able to directly help the judges that were there. This particular court, I'm hoping, and I'm going to try my best to do what's right for the citizens, to do what's right for our youngsters. And I think that any judge that's in that court, if another judge comes, they should try to make it just a little bit better. Just work a little bit harder so that each time we can make this city even greater than it is. I have great reverence for San Antonio. I ask for your support and your vote March 2nd, 2010. Thank you.